Let's get started by going to the Edit Code section and clicking on Customize Theme. Inside the Theme Editor, click on Add Section and select RI Hotspot number 3. Once the section is added, we can begin customizing it. First, we can adjust the body gap for both desktop and mobile views, fine-tune the padding, and tweak the border radius for a rounded look. We can also modify the border thickness and add a shadow effect if needed. To ensure a responsive design, we can set the hotspot position separately for desktop and mobile. Next, let's customize the text. We can add a heading, enable custom fonts, and adjust the font family, size, line height, and alignment with mobile-specific settings. For supporting text, we can make similar adjustments, including the top margin for better spacing. Now, let's add a button. We can define the button text and link URL, customize the font, size, alignment, margin, and padding, and adjust the button's border radius and thickness for a sleek look. For images, we can select an image, set the aspect ratio, and adjust the radius and border thickness. We can also toggle the image shadow on or off for a dynamic touch. Moving on to hotspot styling, we can customize the padding, radius, border thickness, and enable animations. We can also adjust font settings for the hotspot title and resize the hotspot image for desktop and mobile. Additionally, we can tweak the content width and padding to achieve a balanced design. When designing the button within the hotspot, we can set the button and hover colors, background color, and border color to match the theme. We also have control over the heading color, text color, body background, and shadow to maintain consistency. To optimize spacing, we can manage the margin and padding both inside and outside the section. If needed, we can enable full width mode and set content width and border thickness. Finally, we can customize the hotspot list by setting the position for desktop and mobile, choosing the hotspot type, adding a title, uploading an image, and including content text or a video.